Hello, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use swatches, color swatches here in Clip Studio Paint. So if you want to find the swatches, what you want to do is go over to Windows here. Go over to Windows and click on color sets. The name is not swatches here in Clip Studio Paint, but in Photoshop the name is swatches, color swatches. But here in Clip Studio it's color sets. So what you want to do is click on it, and then you're going to find the tab here. So I'm going to drag out the panel. I'm going to drag out the panel here to make it clearer for you to see. So your own usually it will come out with default. It will come out with default color here, default swatches. But you can create a new one if you want to, and I'm going to show you how to create a new one here. So first of all, if you want to create a new color swatch set, what you want to do is click on this settings bar here. So if you click on it, you get this pop-up menu here, and then you can click on create new set. So if you click on that, you're going to get this option here to change the name of it, to rename your color set. So I'm going to change it to, let's say, new color set here. So I'm going to click OK. So what you want to do here is, if you want to add a color to it, so I'm going to click OK now. But first of all, with this new color set, you can create a new one. You can add a new color set. You can add the standard one, which is this here, the standard color set. Once you click this add standard set, that's what you're going to get. You just get a replica of it. So you can delete, and you can also duplicate a color set here. If I duplicate it, this is what you get. And if I delete it, this is what you get. You also delete the color set. You can also rename it to something else, and you can push it down and push it up. So I'm going to push it down here. So now once you're done creating the new color set, you want to add a new color. Maybe you want to add more colors to it. So you're going to click OK here, and you have this empty color sets here. So to add color, you have to go down here. You go down to this add color icon, and then you click on it. So you're going to get this bar, and you are seeing black here because my color wheel is on black. So if I want, I'm going to change the color to, let's say, green, and then I'll click here. Then I'll click add color again. Maybe it's not working. Yes, so you can see it here, add new color. You can also change the name. To change the name, what you want to do is just right click and then change the color name. You can change it to green if you want to, or you can just leave it in the hexadecimal code if there is, yes, RGB code here. So but I'm going to change the name to green here, and then all these colors here, if you want to delete them, what you want to do is just either you right click here and delete, or you just click this delete button here and you just keep deleting it. This is the fastest way to do it. You can't really select all of them and delete them, so this is the only way to delete them. And also you can replace this color, this green here. Let's say if I add a new one, let's say I add a new color and another one, you can replace this color, this red here, you can replace it, let's say, with this purple. To replace it, just click on this icon here, replace color, and then the color changes to purple. So that's actually everything about this color swatches. So you can create whatever color scheme that you want for your digital art. And that's it for this video. And maybe let me just delete everything. Let me delete everything so you guys will see how it is. I'm going to fast forward this side of the video anyway. So now if this is the color wheel that's, or like say the color palette that you're using for your colors, you can just set it up like this and change the name to whatever you want. And that's actually everything you want to know here in how to use this color swatches in Clip Studio Paint. Anyway, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next.